Welcome back to our Planet Ayurveda studio. We are here with Dr. Meenakshi Chauhan discussing how can we get rid of intestinal worms.
Hello.
So what will help?
Today I am going to guide you about intestinal worms. See, intestinal worms are normally seen in younger children because normally children, they are not hygiene conscious, they are not aware, they are playing in the ground and suddenly they are picking up anything to eat, some muffin to eat or some bread piece to eat without washing their hands. And moreover, when they are using washrooms, even then they are not very careful about washing their hands and how neatly they are doing. And even adults, they ignore them sometimes because maybe they are busy doing other things. So it is very common in young children that they face intestinal worms, and normally the symptoms are that young children, they lose appetite, they are not hungry whenever, or maybe they are too hungry. There are two kind of symptoms. Sometimes we get patients who are too hungry because maybe they have too much of worms inside and all the food they are consuming, it is diet for the worms. And sometimes they don't feel appetite because because of the worms, their system becomes bloated and they feel heaviness all the time. And so whenever the food is served, they don't have any desire to eat. And some children, they come up with a feeling of nausea, they feel like vomiting, and they also suffer because there are different kind of worms like thread worms and ringworms inside the body. And every worm has a different kind of characteristic. So normally children suffer problems of diarrhea, and sometimes they have constipation. It all depends on how we diagnose through the pulse that what exactly are their prominent symptoms, and accordingly we give herbal treatment to them. And before going for herbs, because we have parents coming that they are reluctant to start too much of herbs for the little child. And then we go firstly for home remedies. So a very simple home remedy I would like to share with you is of jaggery, that is brown sugar, and we mix it with little cow ghee and black pepper, and we make balls. And we give that treatment empty stomach, like giving 2 balls according to the age group. Like if the child is 3 to 4 years, we give 2 balls, but if the child is 10 years, then we give maybe 3 balls.
Okay. How big is the ball inside?
It's like small pebbles, this much, okay, and so that the child can easily swallow. So giving those balls empty stomach, they basically in Ayurveda they say that sugary thing and with the pepper effect, it attracts the worms and it is easy to expel them out because cow ghee is lubricant and it helps to easily pass through the intestine, and along with that it attracts the worms. And normally we can easily find worms in the stool once we start this treatment. And the other home remedy is giving tomatoes empty stomach. We cut the tomato into half and we put little black pepper and little salt, and again it has to be taken empty stomach for like 1 week or 10 days. And this also give amazing results. Normally these seem to be very simple home remedies, but if you follow them religiously for your child, and we see that the child is able to get rid of all kind of worms, and even they are able to recover their appetite, and they don't feel bloating and they don't feel any gastric pain, and all the symptoms are gone within 1 week or 7 days. And other than that, if still trying these home remedies but we are not getting the kind of results we need, then the second step is we go for herbs, and they are very safe for children. So normally what we give is neem capsules. Though it is bitter in taste, you can mix it with maple syrup or rose syrup, whatever is easy to find.
Can we open the...
Yeah,
just to put the extract and...
Yeah, you put the extract in maple syrup and make the child take that with some water. And another is manjishta. It is very effective. Though it is again little bitter in taste, but once we start with this, we get good results. And in cases where because of worms children are constipated, we give them trifla. It is basically a combination of, in Sanskrit it is tri means 3 and phal means fruit. So it is a combination of 3 fruits. So that is why the name trifla. So we can use trifla capsule, or the other form in churna is vara churna. So we can again mix that churna with some maple syrup, because honey is hot in nature, and normally we don't recommend honey, too much of honey for little children, because it can give too much of heat and aggravate pitta. So better use some light syrup, like maple syrup is okay for children. So you can mix half spoon of vara and give them overnight, and we see good results with that.
And what would you recommend if for children and even for adults, if worms are already in blood and if they are already in some other organs, like I don't know, liver or somewhere else in the body?
We often see worms in parasites in adults, and they have symptoms like fever and shivering, and they get a lot of infections, maybe in urinary tract, and also in their digestion also they have infection and blood infections. So to detoxify the system, we again give them Triphala capsule. We put them on Manjishta, Neem, and also we give them Amlaki, because Amlaki basically it is a blood purifying. So we give them Amlaki, and to improve the immune system, because the parasites, they are gripping their system. So we need to improve their immunity. For that we have combinations of like Moringa, it is a very powerful herb. And again we have immunity related capsules also. So they are all very good combinations. Once you start and get associated with Ayurvedic herbs, there are a lot of combinations that we can work out, just judging their body type according to Vata Pitta, and all these combinations, they work amazingly.
And usually how long does it take to get rid of the worms?
See, it depends. If in little children we get results within 2 weeks, but if adults, they have been suffering from quite some time, because they have been experimenting with lot of antibiotics also, and that lowers down their immunity. And moreover, they other than just suffering from that problem, they are taking too much of red meat, and you are not sure how, from where they are procuring it, and even some people take too much of raw form of meat also, and too much of sugary and junk food. So if they are suffering from quite some time, like it's been for 4 or 5 years, and they are altering the treatment, taking something and experimenting with, so the system is sluggish. In that case, we need to treat them for at least 2 to 4 months to completely detoxify the system. Yeah.
Thank you very much.